Good morning to all the students. Okay, again come on the particular issue which we are going to be discussed today also as a part of the syllabus. As you have seen that the introduction and background of the commercial advertisement and other parts of the advertisement under the provisions of law, including the constitutional system in India or abroad. In other country also, there is a such type of provisions which says that there should be the freedom of speech with related to mute your mic please with related to the advertisement. John Milton, John Stuart Mill, as well as the theory of the Jeremy Bentham, we have already seen. We have seen some the introductory portion of the essence of free speech. Under the this background and the philosophical aspect of the free and free speech and other portions are still requires to be discussed in detail. That you have already gone through the existing material, the purpose of the advertisement to obtain the information from others without the fear of retribution, restriction, or repression by the government. It means the basic theme and a way of the express and thinking upon the getting the information from the others. There is expectation that the limited restriction and retribution should be there, limited in a democracy. And we have seen this concept with relate to the democratic pattern of the society, and there should not be any unreasonable restriction, but restriction shall be there. As you have seen, the restriction which prescribes about the different systems, but that should not be unreasonable, unfair, or illegal. That should not be. Ranjit, mute your mic. Ranjit, mute your mic. Without the fear retribution. That's why it is one of the component. And another component is advertisement is a form of the communication. As you know that if anything shall be said by mouth or in written form or in indicative forms and in the form of another aspect, that is the one of the way of communication. In the same way, if there is a advertisement, and that normally the advertisement shall be related to the commercial purpose and to inform to other persons, and that is one of the means of communication. And that communication, why it requires the communication to increase the views of the readers and for the marketing result of which to take new action. This is the system which says that the aspect of basically the for getting the market, for making the reputation, and for the publicity, and for dissemination the news, means that information among the public. And if this will be done by the agency or the person who is advertising anything on the newspaper or some Other means it may be the mood of the electronic system of advertising. That, for example, you can take the system of this Sadi.com, and Sadi.com is a electronic system of the advertising. It is a electronic system of the advertising, and that system requires to be done by every persons with the aspect. Mute please, mic mute. And that system is required to be adopted for the advertisement. This is called the digital system of advertisement. We will some discussion will be done on that area, and we will discuss some part of the digital advertisement. But at present, the why this advertisement is essential, this is our question. And the question we say that the part of that related matters, which is one of the aspect why the advertisement is essential. Another is the basically of the point we say that there should be some type of such advertisement which will be in the interest of any persons who want to get the benefit from that advertisement. This is there. And to drive consumers behavior from the commercial offering. This is one of the, because advertisement will be, there will be some object of the advertisement. It may be the commercial or it may not be the commercial. Commercial related matters, you can say that matters which are related to the basically of the business, and which are related to the to sell and to sold out the goods, and which may be related to the trade, business, and some other parts. But some advertisement shall not be treated as a business. For example, I have given the one reference relating to the Sadi.com. It is not a commercial matter. It is a matter of to come together for the certain relationship. In the same way, if one boy or any near and dear person has been lost by any other person B, then there will be the advertisement who will get it, or wherever he is, and wherever the information of that one, that should be informed in the following address, and a reasonable amount shall be given, whatever will be there. It is not a related to the commercial purpose. So therefore the commercial purpose, otherwise the other kind of the advertisement to drive the consumer's behavior for commercial offering, that is one of the object. But the another object is to give the information by other persons which are required to be the third party who have given the advertisement. Therefore, there is not only the single object. And political and ideological advertisement is common basically. And one of the personal advertisement, apart from the commercial purpose, another is the political also. And political, how a person can say it is a political aspect, because a political aspect which is called the basically to publish the news and views, and whatever the public opinion is there about the some activities, or about the own thoughts, thinkings. This is called the political advertisement. And a political advertisement may not be a commercial offering. It is not a commercial offering. And ideological advertisement, if a person has written some research paper, comments over the some news, and letter to editor, and make some cartoons, it is the ideological advertisement. There is no purpose of the commercial offering. It is not a commercial offering. Therefore, the advertisement cannot be said that its purpose is the commercial purpose or the commercial offering. apart from or beside the commercial, there are some other advertisement which have the relationship to the personal grievances and personal ideology, comments over the system, and a good person who have the good information and the knowledge too of the analyzing anything. If he is going to be published in a newspaper or by any other means, it is also called the ideological advertisement. So there, thus, it cannot be said only, Ranjit, again and again you are coming, but don't disturb, please. So publicity for the dissemination of idea and thoughts. And it is a mood of the publicity. It is a one of the basically means of the dissemination of ideas and thoughts, as I have said, in the various form, in the different moods. It may be there. And a benefit for readers also. If there will not be advertisement, there will not be any views, there will not be any the political analysis, there will not be any the research based analysis, and if there will not be any new item as a person have searched these items, it cannot be said that this is the basically of the advertisement which has done by the person in a way so that it may be called the advertisement which are based on the system of the advertisement and the provisions of the advertisement in this sense. And that advertisement is one of the basic purpose, as you have seen that the then another aspect as a purpose, it may be seen that the benefit for the readers fulfill the expectation of the readers also. Every reader means every person who is living in the society wants to know something from the some reliable resources. Some reliable resources one want to know, because the right to know is one of the fundamental and basic and natural right and desire of the human being, right to know. And that right to know is one of the system in the basic ideology, and they fulfill the expectation of the readers. It means the right to know is the natural desire, and what is going on and what is the development in the society and what research has been done by the WHO relating to prevent the COVID-19 pandemic. It is a desire. And therefore, one mandatory duty of every citizen is to get the latest information, day-to-day information, and what judgments had delivered by the competent courts in a particular country where there is a person who is working in the field of law. His curiosity is what is the new. Just like the student are searching, so this new government order has been passed for the preventing this special kind of pandemic disease. It is a curiosity, and that curiosity only to be fulfilled by way of the advertisement. That is the another aspect which says that this should be done by the person in the interest of the every another person. That is called the system. Now come to the point that leading case of this British company. With that case is John W. Rest versus Van Devon and Lewis Company case. Mr. Justice McKenna said about the advertisement. What is advertisement? This is the question. And that advertisement can be supported for the purpose of the definition by citing the observation of Mr. Justice McKenna, who said that advertisement is merely a identification and description. It is merely basically the identification and description of what? Identification of the things, identification of the some goods, identification of some views, identification of some thoughts, identification of some personal information. And if it is permissible under the provision of law. And that at the same time, about the description, as I have given the citation again, I will repeat that that example, that if one boy is giving a advertisement by publishing it through the digital media and for the marriage, that boy will give some description, that what is the qualification, what is the earning sources, what are the earning sources, and what he is doing, and how his physical, this all these things, this is called the description. If A will publish something in the newspaper or some by any other means, for the selling of the goods, he will give the quality of the goods, he will give the mostly the offer for the selling it, and that offer shall include the, even if the price and the quality, quantity, and to fulfill the contract within a prescribed time or period. This is called the description. And the identification, where the property is situated. Suppose there is a vacancy in the department, in the government department, in private department, and the procedure says that there should be the advertisement. And what is the name of the post? What is the qualification of the persons who are required to be appointed for that post? And what shall be the basically of the service conditions there? And all these things are called the description. And identification means identification of post. How many posts are there vacant? And what is the age limit? What is the qualification? And what will be the system of the appointment? And what will be the condition of the services? That is description, including the identification. And that is laid down by Mr. Justice Macnon. And appraising the quality and place. Place, it should be there. Where the interview, walking interview will be there, in where? In the headquarters of the particular department. Or it should be organized the examination by the Public Service Commission or government agency or the department. And the place and the quality. Quality means the qualification for the purpose of the vacancy of the post. And in other system, for the business purpose, you know that the quality of that goods and articles which are under the selling of, or which are required to be sold by the owner of that property. If auction is going on, the advertisement is various modes of the advertisement, various systems of the advertisement, tender for the inviting the quotations for the tender also, and bids, all these things. This is either this is comes within the that purpose of the commercial system. Its object is article to be sold. What kind of article? Means the advertisement, if is there, you will say, sir, our vacancy, it is not being sold. I agree, this is not being sold, but at least sold means here the description of that one, and what is the object, how many posts are vacant, and the what will be the modes of the appointment, means written examination, interview only, or it may be the on the basis of the merit, academic merit. So that is not a purpose to sold the post, but it is the invitation for the persons who are interested to come and to accept that offer. And the inducement to the purchase means some quality. It will be, it can be said that private companies may, today you can see that this is the very useful item for the making the good health and keeping the very such type of things which are required to be for selling that goods also. Inducement means that system will be there. Then come to the another point, we say that purpose of the advertisement, which shall be the purpose of the advertisement. It is written in that case also. It is written in the case of John W. Rest versus Van Diemen and Lewis Company case, that the Mr. Justice Macnon also express the views that about the purposes. Some purposes we have seen before this slide. But what are the purpose as it has laid down by the judicial interpretation? And the Justice Menon's views, Macnon views as it requires to be said that purpose of the advertisement to bring the item in public notice. First of all, the basic purpose of the advertisement is to bring it in the public notice. Because the reason you have seen that public news or public newspaper, once it has been published, it means it is in public domain. And if it is in public domain, then it is a public notice. But only restriction to accept that advertisement may be there. That if one is selling the relating to the code, one is selling basically the clothes, it is a notice for public, but only that party will accept it who is doing the business relating to the cloth. It is for public. But acceptance of that offer, which has advertised in a newspaper or by any means, shall be accepted by that person only who have the relationship or who is working on that area. Daily, you can see the matrimonial columns in the newspaper. Who will read it? The person who is interested to get some information relating to the matrimonial relationship. Ye person have no relationship, having the old age or some already have no need of that one, certainly he will not see and read. And sometimes a person can have the habit to read such type of notice by hobby also. But it is a public notice, but to enter and to accept that advertisement shall be given only by the related person. That is very easy. It has relation to business or trade. It may be. Sometimes it has some relationship in business or the trade. It has observed by the Justice Macnon. It is an observation of the Justice Macnon. But always it has no relationship with the business, as I have already explained. Some other parts may be there. Therefore, business and trade, mostly it's a relationship with business and trade advertisement. But other part is also there, and that other parts, if we say that about the another relationship. Everyone have lost the identity card. For example, a defense person is there, and identity card of the defense person is a very, very relevant document. If he will lost or she will lost the identity card, the punishment may be given to him. And I have seen one case of Assam Rifle that he was lost his identity card. Some other charges were also there. And at the time of the removing from the service, the one of the charge was there he was negligent to keep the departmental document and departmental property. It was a departmental property to identify that person. He is the person who is working in a particular sector, particular department and particular force. And if he has lost that identity, it means he is very negligent. And no, law never protect to the negligent person. Take the example, if a student is not doing hard for getting success, whether that human being who is not doing any hard work to get the success in a particular job or in a particular course or in particular business, whether he will get the good success, answer is no. it means he is negligent. And I have given the example that it is has relation to business and the trade, as the you have seen said by the court for the purpose of that interpretation. But at the same time, the basically the Macnan's observation is not a complete observation. It is a critical analysis of this observation. I'm just citing the critical analysis by quoting some other illustrations. Illustrations I have cited to lost the identity card. Identity to lost the identity card, and he has given some advertisement. A person who have got it, please return to me on my address. And he has the duty to lodge the FIR also. And sometimes the police has the duty to give the advertisement. A person is absconded from the custody of the police, or he is a offender who is not in a place where his residency is there, and giving the advertisement, who will give the information, and he will get the some award, and his name shall be kept the confidential, secret. It means it is also the advertisement. It is not for the purpose of business, and to give the award and to prize, or it may not be given. It is not only the business. This is called the critical analysis of the observation, which was given by the court Macnan on the one judgment. And therefore your habit should be, this is my advice to all the students, to think over that issue or that matter, whether it is correct. It has relation to business and trade. He has said that not always business and trade shall not be there in the advertisement. It has no relationship with the freedom or speech. He said, who? The Justice Macnan said that this have no relationship, but it have the relationship, because the advertisement is the mood of expression. The advertisement mood, it is a mood of thought to publicize it. It is a mood of the speech. And if it is a kind of speech, then certainly you know that there is also the part of the freedom of the human being. And the speech and the expression hold no relationship with the commerce. Commercial part may not be there. I agree. If the commercial advertisement is there related to the business and the trade, there should not be protected by way of the principles as laid down in the constitutional or some other laws under the speech and expression. That may not be there. But at the same time, everyone have the right of the trade, business, commerce, and so on. This is also the fundamental right. Speech, expression. The one of the case earlier you have seen that related to this Sakal Paper Mills Company case, and it has laid down by the Supreme Court of India in the 1960 that the basically up to reducing the new pages in the newspaper and to apply it is a portion of that aspect comes within the trade and business, but not on the expression, speech and expression. That's why Macnan also had said about it. It is for the cause of public interest, whereas advertisement have some special object, and where there is a advertisement of this aspect which say that about the this interest, whereas advertisement have some a special object. It may be it is there, and that object. Another case is also there. If you will see, Racket and Coleman India Limited is a Indian case. KVTTK Limited 1996. All these cases are related to the business. Principle laid down by the court in this case, an advertisement can declare that the advertised goods, means the purpose again, object of the advertisement, to declare that this is the goods. This is the business item, and this is a material for the selling it, and this there is a description of that item that has observed by the court. The purpose of the advertisement is that goods are best than competitive other goods. Why the advertisement is giving in the that newspaper, or in the you can see through the media. Media means electronic system, that one will say that the product of this company, particular company, is very very useful, better than the other products. But he will and she will, the who is giving the advertisement by speaking something, shall not contempt the name of the other company, name of the other the industry, but only it is permissible to say that it is better than others without quoting any name. If name shall be quoted, then another company or the industry or the businessman have the right to file the suit against that company or that person who has advertised it. Therefore, the purpose of the advertisement declared to the goods that it is better than others, only other goods who are producing and manufacturing by other companies. It is said that this is better than others also, and if it is better than others, then advertised material cannot say that other goods are bad. It cannot be said. It is better than others. No one is like this. It can be said, but it cannot be said others are very very useless. That statement cannot be given in the advertisement. If it is defamatory, damage can be claimed. If any goods shall be defamed by advertising, showing own goods better against the other company, one can show the better. That is permissible. There is a limit. But at the same time, if there is a such type of limit, the another person cannot criticize the goods of another by name. That is not permissible. If that will be done, then certainly what will happen in that matters, the basically a defamatory suit or a suit for the compensation under the civil law can be filed by the person who will affect by the advertisement of the particular company, or a person who has advertised or taking the money for advertising. As you know that at present there are some working companies who are just advertising the material and goods of other company and getting the money. Advertisement cost is there, but the theme of the advertisement, the person who have the basically the purpose to advertise his goods or his item will give the theme of that one by writing and by putting the signature on that one. It means the company who is advertising it as a professional company, that matter is not the matter of that professional company who have the duty to advertise it, who have the function to advertise it, and for that purpose he has registered that company. It will be deemed to be the advertisement of the particular businessman, person who have given with the intention to be advertised it. Online advertisement, because in the Zoom there is very limited time, but tomorrow or Monday I will complete this one, and one 1954 act we will discuss with reference to the objectionable advertisement, and there are the rules framed under that act in 1955. With the help of these rules, as well as the procedure laid down in 1955, the prevention of objectionable advertisement in 1954, and rules made thereunder in 1955. That will be discussed and go through that one. The online advertisement is going on because we are living in the system of digital economy and digital development of the particular society in everywhere, in every country. it is a perfect for the better mood of advertising. And it is a perfect mood because quickly and at once, without giving any delay, just like to publish it 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, and one day one person will only read the newspaper, then that newspaper shall be thrown as a raddi material, which will be used for the rough purposes. But if the digital advertisement is there, it will remain in the site. One can see in any day by clicking it. It is perfect. That's why it is perfect and better mode of advertisement. But you may say that some persons are not aware or they have no facility of this digital advertisement. But they are advertisement for whom? Generally, we have seen that for the public. But who will read it? Not is for public. It is a legal provision. Who will read it? Who have the requirement of that? Then certainly he has the idea about the digital system also. And that person will search that digital sources. And it is easy to search and understand. And method is there. If one will click and type, and only requirement is the internet, smartphone, and the computer. Only phone is there, net is there, then there is no problem. And to search that advertisement, and day-to-day advertisement can be seen by the needy person, a person who is interested to use that advertisement for own interest and to know something about it. And it increase the publicity also. And that newspaper may be the circulation of particular area, regional newspaper. For example, to advertise the post, vacant post in public department, that is the government department, to advertise it in one national paper and another in regional paper. Only 2 papers, 3 days. But if the advertisement will be here means the through the digital method, the person who is living abroad, outside India, outside particular country, and that may be seen by that person also. Easy approach and very wide circulation of this advertisement, digital advertisement is there. Quality of advertisement is better to understand the description of that system, to maintain value, choice, and behavior, because it will be seen by everyone, and anytime one can be seen it, unless it will not be deleted from the site. It shall not be the repealed from the site or altered from the site. One can watch this system every time. It is demand of the time for the betterment of the socio-economy, because e-commerce is going, e-system of society is going, e-education is going on, and system of that contact is going on, and e-system of advertisement is also there. Every aspect is related to the electronic, and e